Hello and welcome to this Pacta video. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to convert an MP3 audio file into text using nothing more than Microsoft Word online with a Microsoft 365 subscription. No need for complex software or external tools. In just a few clicks, you can turn an interview, a recorded meeting, or even a podcast into clear, structured text. Here are the steps we'll go through together. First, sign into office.com with your Microsoft account. Second, create a new Word document online. Third, access the transcribe feature available under the Home menu. Fourth, upload your MP3 file. And fifth, view the automatic transcription with the ability to edit and insert it into your document. This service helps you save valuable time and stay focused on what really matters: your ideas, your content, your work. At the end of this tutorial, I'll also explain the usage conditions, supported formats, monthly time limits, and other useful tips. Whether you're a journalist, trainer, student, content creator, or business owner, this tip will quickly become indispensable. Ready to turn your voice into text? Let's get started.
At you find for hand, the instruments brothers for the parrot or spreading with shoulders, to our shutting shack shooting to the throat of the right. In today's digital world, audio content is everywhere. From podcasts and interviews to recorded meetings and voice memos, we're surrounded by spoken information. But what if you need those spoken words in writing? Thanks to Microsoft Word, you can now convert an MP3 audio file into text quickly, easily, and without installing any extra software. Here's how it works. First, go to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Then, open a new Word document using the online version of Word. In the top menu, click on Home, then select Transcribe from the drop-down next to the Dictate button. Now upload your MP3 file. Word will begin analyzing the audio in just a few moments. Your words are transformed into text. The transcription appears on the side panel. It's organized by speaker and time-coded, so you can follow every part of the conversation. You can even rename speakers, make edits, or insert everything directly into your document. This isn't just a time-saving feature. It's a productivity tool for anyone who works with audio. Journalists can transcribe interviews, students can turn lecture recordings into notes, professionals can document meetings automatically, and content creators can reuse their audio in articles, emails, or posts. Keep in mind, this feature is available to Microsoft 365 subscribers. It supports files like MP3, WAV-E, M4A, and MP4, and you get up to 300 minutes per month. Simple, powerful, and built right into Word. With just a few clicks, your voice becomes text, ready to share, edit, or publish. This is modern transcription made easy.